Alanna here. Welcome back to my channel. So, I have some great news, you guys. We just hit 50,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I know 50,000 may not seem like a lot compared to other channels here on YouTube, but it means the world to me that 50,000 people decided to click that subscribe button and that you guys are actually interested in the content that I have to share. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys really don't even know how much this means to me, and I'm looking forward to 100,000 subscribers and then 1 million, and then we're gonna take over the world slowly but surely. Moving forward on my channel, I want to make some changes. I'm going to start introducing some different types of content. I want to be more transparent with you guys, so I'll probably be doing more vlogs with my daughter, showing you guys more of my actual like home life. I'm in school and kind of how I juggle all of that stuff, which it really is a balancing act. I'm being honest, but I do want to be more open, more transparent, and provide more of the content that you guys would like to see. So really quick, if you don't mind, pause this video and scroll down to the comment section below and just leave me a comment. Let me know what it is that you guys want to see more of on my channel. Is it more recipes, more cooking videos? Do you guys want to see more videos with my daughter, with my family? Do you guys want to see more DIYs and home decor? Do you want to see more makeup? Do you want to see more hair? Do you want to see more fashion? What is it? Because half of the struggle is not knowing what to film, because some videos will get so many views and other ones won't get money at all. But just if you guys can let me know what it is that you want to see, that would help me out so much. And to celebrate my 50,000 subscriber goal, I am doing a giveaway. So in partnership with my favorite hair company of all time, you guys know, is NioriHair.com, and I am doing a free wig giveaway. That's right, I said it was free. There's no purchase necessary to enter this giveaway, but there are some rules that I will be giving you in a few minutes. But I just want to show you guys the unit. In all honesty, I had to run home and film this video really quick. My grandpa's in the hospital having some minor surgery done, and because I promised you guys on my Instagram that I would get this video up today, I just really want to make sure that I got it done. So I'm running home in between breaks at the hospital getting this video done. So excuse the fact that my hair is not really done like that, and I'm just kind of like thrown together in my little workout clothes, but we're gonna get it done because I'm excited to announce this giveaway for you guys.
Okay, you guys, so here is the tea on this unit. This is the 22-inch Arabian straight lace frontal unit from Niori Hair's Classic Crown collection. Now, this hair is 100% virgin Remy hair, ethically sourced from countries in Southeast Asia, which means that you can color this unit if you want to. This unit is completely versatile, and there's so many ways that you can style it. The hairline is pre-customized. It comes plucked and bleached and ready to wear right out the box. And it also has built-in combs and straps for extra security.
Just in time for the holidays, so I'm calling this the 50K Slay for the Holiday giveaway. That was good, wasn't it? So in order for you to enter to win this unit, there are some things that I need you to do. First and foremost, of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you are not already subscribed, please go and do that. There will be a link down in the description box below that takes you straight to the subscription page, but you could also hit that little red box that says subscribe down at the bottom of this video, or on the side, or wherever it is. The next thing that I need you to do is follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is at Alanna Foxx, ALANNAFOXX. And I update there, you know, pretty regularly. I probably post maybe like 3 times a week. I'm on my Insta Snap a lot. So a lot of updates happening there, and I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram. So you want to make sure that you are following me on Instagram, on the Insta Grizzly. The next thing that I need for you guys to do is go and follow the Niori Hair Instagram. That is at NIOREHAIR. There are some really good sales and promotions coming up very soon, so I would highly advise you guys, if you like high quality hair, if you like high quality wigs. By the way, I make all the wigs on NioriHair.com, but if you like high quality anything, I would advise you to definitely go and follow that Instagram and get acquainted, you know, you feel me? Okay. And the fourth thing that I need you to do is to go and sign up for the NioriHair.com newsletter. There will be a link below this video taking you straight to the sign up page. If I can do that, I hope I can. But if not, you can just sign up straight from the Niori Hair website. I'll have all that information down in the description box below. So when it comes time to pick a winner, I will be pulling the email list from the Niori Hair newsletter subscriptions. We're going to cross-check and make sure that you guys have followed all the rules, because it wouldn't be fair if you won and you were not like doing one of the things that we asked for you to do. Make sure you guys get that stuff done. Let's see. I'm going to be running this contest until the last week in November. So it's going to be running for 3 weeks, okay? I'm going to be promoting this contest for 3 weeks all throughout my social media. You can only enter one time. One time. That is it. You cannot sign up with multiple emails. If we find out, you will be disqualified. Please use your real name when you sign up for the newsletter, because that's what we will use to address you. Well, we'll contact you by email first, and then we'll post all of your information on the Instagrams, and that way you'll find out who the winner is through the Instagram snaps. I don't want to make this video that long. I do have to go back to the hospital. Do not forget to go ahead and start now. Okay, go ahead and get your entry in. The earlier the better, that way you don't forget about it. Good luck, you guys. Whoever wins this unit will be very happy. I'm looking forward to new videos on my channel. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like giveaways, so that way I know to do more giveaway videos. And yeah, thank you guys again so much for subscribing and sticking with me. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.